Alright. Hope you're having fun, Kevin. So I hope you're having fun. You know, something tells me that you're really not supposed to. I guess you can stick your hand through there. Can you change the tone, or are you just gonna be just? You don't want to change the tone. See, if you slide it, Kevin, if you slide it, see if you move it. Now pluck it some more. You understand? It changes the tone. Yeah. When they said children's museum, they meant like itty bitty kitty museum. Anyway. Look at that, Keith. A whole thing built out of phones, or like a phone bot or something. You get a dial tone? Can you call somebody? Can you call somebody? No? Yes? No? Yes? No? Maybe so? So you gotta be Spanish to hear that one. Can you hear anything? What's it doing? Okay, so you can't make any calls. It's just like when you get on them, they're telling you a story. Let's see this dueling wave thing again. That's pretty cool. Let's see how that works. Alright, what's this? Giant Spring. Alright. Giant Spring. Hey, look. Camera. Where are you? Ah, you over here? Ah, okay, I see you. Let me see. Can you see me? You can see me? Oh, okay, I can see you too. Let's look around. Let's see what else they got. What's in here? Look at it. Hey, Kate, look at a car. You don't want like Mustang so much. Yeah, this is a Mustang. They're not gonna let you close the door. Yep, they put a real car in here. Yes, this is a real car. Well, it doesn't have gas in it, Keegan, but I mean, it's a real car. Trust me, this is a real car. Take my word for it. I don't think they want you to drive people crazy. That's why they don't have any battery or any gas or anything like that. the steering wheel is not connected to the actual tires, but you can at least you can get in there and play with it, and that's how they want it. But it is a real car. Let's go look at something else. Here, that's not a toy thing. That's so that's so that people with wheelchairs can go up to the next floor, the next level. Come on. Well, at least your cousin, when she gets here, she'll have a good time over here. Huh? I guess you roll it. Try to get it in the hole, like the play. No, you don't roll it that hard, Kevin. You roll it soft. You try to make it roll in the hole. You're rolling it too hard. You're still rolling it too hard. You don't know how to roll soft? Then roll soft. It's not gonna stop. Just roll it real soft. You're still rolling it too hard. Too hard. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Because you're not like this. See what I'm talking about? I'll try that. Roll this off. There you go. There you go. Now, remember, we're really going here because your cousin, okay, your little cousin, is really for her. Come on. Huh? Well, I was talking about probably taking you to the rodeo, but we're gonna have to see. What is it doing? Can you protect a building during an earthquake? Doesn't look like it's working to me.
What the crap?
Oh man, that's cool.
What is this?
Hold it.
Huh?
Are you holding it?
What is it?
It's one of those things it's like it has electricity going between
Is it
it.
electric?
Yeah. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is pretty cool right there. Alright. Jacob's ladder. Press the button to start Jacob's ladder. Blow air through the holes as electric sparks move past. Can you do it? Go ahead. See if you can lift yourself up. Go ahead. Come on. Yeah, keep pulling though. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Come on. Come on. You're doing really good. You're doing really good. Oh, I can't just pull you. You gotta help, dude. You're not light, you know. Hold on. That's it. That's as high as you go. No. Let yourself down easy. There you go. Whew. got, Keith?
Oh, it's picking up dirt.
What's it doing?
Picking up dirt.
It's not dirt. It's like dust or something. That metallic type dust. It's pretty cool, though. Man, don't just drop them like that. So which one is the easiest to lift? That one? Okay.
This one is kind of hard.
That one's what?
This one is kind of hard.
Okay. All right, well, we can look around a little bit more, Keith. Glad you're having a good time. Come on. What's that doing? What's it doing? What's it doing?
It sounds like you keep running.
I don't see anything.
You have to step on this and then you have to move it up. And you can move this. You can move the steering wheel.
Okay, let me see. Okay, alright, I guess. What about that one? It's periscope?
Mom!
What are you looking at?
Mama! I
Well, what are you looking at? You don't see anything?
don't know. I mean, you can move that stuff.
Okay. It's looking up there, Keith. It's actually looking up there. What are you looking at right there? Okay. Alright. You gotta be real little to get on that thing.
You can see human.
You see what?
You see a people.
Oh, okay, cool.